How to delete a draft on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete a draft on CapCut easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. This is the home page. Now this is the draft that I want to delete. All what you have to do is click on those three dots and now click on delete. Right here you will find it and click delete, and it's deleted successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.